Hey guys, this is Maria from HuiSocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to use GIFs as Instagram stories replies. Instagram allows its users to respond to their friends' stories using GIFs. Follow these steps and you will find out how you can do it. Log into your Instagram account and go to the Home tab. Now click on one of your friends' profile pictures at the top of a feed in order to open stories. Watch until you find the story to which you would like to reply. After that, hit the reply text box at the bottom of the story, and the keyboard will appear on the screen. Tap the GIF icon on the right-hand side of the text box. Now you can press on the search bar and find a GIF you would like to send. Or you may select a GIF from the suggested options. When you click on the certain GIF, it will be automatically sent to a user. That's it! I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to use GIFs as Instagram stories replies. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at HuiSocial.com.